Welcome back. I'm here at Ceramic Pro, Sarasota, Florida, and this came with about a 35% factory tint. Not too bad of a job, very few contaminants. Got some, it's a really soft edge that easily comes up, a little whitening on the edge. So this is what sometimes people refer to as lot lizards, just kind of doing real quick, cheap window tint. So we're gonna get this taken off. We're gonna get a nice mid-grade tint put on here, something like ceramic tint. Gonna get this entire front windshield coated in just a real light, you can barely tell it's on there. It's usually about 50% window tint, and then they'll put the real dark 5% sun strip up at the top over that, so it'll look like it just has a sun strip, but that'll really block out a lot of that heat is what I'm looking for. And then we're gonna get this tint off the sides and put a real good tint on here in a darker. So as you can see my hand through it right now in this morning sun. So when it's done, it'll be, about 15-20%. And we're gonna this is a factory tint on the side, so we're gonna go over this. You can't remove this, but we're gonna add that same tint to this and all the back windows. And really, yes, it will darken it up, but the main reason is it's a good high quality tint that will filter out that heat is what I'm looking for. So dropping the car off, like I said, here at Ceramic Pro. They've done all my cars and done an amazing job with zero problems. So I'll get back at the video when I'm picking it up. All right, I picked the truck up and you saw me at the tint place. Now it's all tinted and I'm sitting in the back seat because I wanted to show you what it looks like looking out. That's the front sun strip, which is a 5%, and then the whole entire windshield's done in a 50%. And really in Florida, you're not supposed to have any tint on the front, but 50% you can barely see. The main reason for doing it is actually the heat reflection and the UV protection is doing that whole windshield, and the sun strip is the dark part. And then back in the back, as you can see looking out, you can see out just fine, but it is nice and dark back here. And I'll explain a little bit more. Let's step out and I'll show you what it looks like. All right, so we'll just go ahead and step kind of far away and give you a far away view, nice look of the truck. We'll do just a quick walk around here. And you can see that front sun strip is not super visible, but visible. And since it's sunny out here, we'll get it all different angles and everybody can see all the difference. But yeah, this looks really good. So let me explain what we did. 50% the whole front windshield, and then I think it's a 5% sun strip. That's pretty standard. Then we took the tint that came with the truck, which is some cheap ass stuff that was actually already peeling off, took it off and it's about a 15 to 20% tint on the immediate left and right of the driver. We put the same exact tint on the backside windows and the back glass. However, it is factory tinted, which can't peel off. It's kind of like baked into the glass, I guess is how I'd say it. And so it's the same percentage tint, but it is very dark looking in. It's hard to even see light looking straight through, but you kind of can on the front. Now, one more thing to look at. Let's put this window down a little bit. And I did this when I was picking it up or dropping it off. You can see the difference here out in the sun, what it looks like with that tint with my hand behind the glass here. I did that with the tint they put on here was 35-40%. It's just a lot nice, cleaner of a line now when you go to more of a professional shop. So it's looking really good. I really do love the guys down there at Ceramic Pro of Sarasota. They do great quality work, and your car is in good hands while it's there too, which is another thing that's important. It's secure. People aren't looking in it and and leaning against your truck or car and everything. So about the third or fourth car I've had them do now while I'm down here in Sarasota. So I appreciate you making it this far in the video. Lots more videos coming on the truck. You might notice that I did smoked out those little reflectors with some black vinyl I had. That took about 1 second, so I'm not going to make a video on that. I actually even used my fingernail to press it down in there. So, but getting ready to do some more now that the truck is waxed and all shiny. There'll be more coming soon, so stay tuned. Bye.